Dear student, to assess the effectiveness of medical technologies and determine the power and direction of their effect on public health indicators, the research was conducted to study the immunization rate of children and measles incidence rate by district. What method of statistical analysis should be applied in this case? Options: A. Calculation of matching factors, calculation of standardized ratio, calculation of morbidity index among the non-vaccinated, calculation of statistical significance of the difference between two estimates, calculation of correlation coefficient. The correlation coefficient is a popular measure for the strength of statistical relationship. For meaningful interpretation of the correlation coefficient, R regression analysis is used. R coefficient lies within the range from -1 to +1. Positive correlation. Example, plus. The harder we step on accelerator pedal, the higher is the car speed. Negative correlation. The harder we step on the brake pedal, the lower is the car speed. How strong the correlation is, we can define using Chaddock scale, qualitative measure of correlation coefficient. 0.1, 0.3, weak correlation. 0.3, 0.5, moderate correlation. 0.5, 0.7, significant. 0.7, 0.9, strong. 0.9, 0.99, very strong. Plus sign means positive correlation, minus negative correlation. So, to assess the effectiveness of medical technologies effect, we use the method of calculation of correlation coefficient. It's the correct answer for this option because we see here the dependence. And the similar question. Having studied the relationship between the distance from village to the local outpatient clinics and frequency of visit to the clinics among the rural population of the area, it was determined that the rank correlation coefficient in this case equals -0.9. How can this relationship be characterized? Answer option: moderate inverse relationship, B. Mixed, strong inverse relationship, moderate direct relationship, and strong direct relationship. As we see from Chaddock scale, the correlation within range 0.9 to 0.99 is considered as very strong. With sign minus, it means inverse relationship, and we see here strong inverse relationship.
Disclaimer: Base of 2019 is a non-commercial project, and this video is presented by Dr. Olena Beskrovna. She is PhD in Ecology and Professor of Hygiene.